My name is Mohit Triambak Parashuramkar, BSc Final, Yeshwantrao Chauhan College, Lakand. Today we will look at the liquid drop model. In this video, we are going to discuss about liquid drop model. This model name is a liquid drop model of a deal with the similarities of nucleus speed liquid drop model. 1. The shape of liquid is spherical due to surface tension force. Similarly, shape is nucleus is spherical due to nuclear force. 2. In the liquid drop, surface tension force is created due to interaction between is a molecule and water interaction. Force he shape under his shape force are created due to interaction between two water molecule, and his shape force are created due to interaction between water molecule. Similarly, is a nucleus, the nuclear force is created due to proton interaction neutron interaction proton interaction neutron, some resultants interaction a nuclear force. 3. Intensity of liquid drop of constants. Similarly, intensity of a nucleus constant throughout of a body. 4. Liquid drop liquid drop a heat energy. Similarly, if we supply energy to nucleus per body parts, a nuclear reaction meet nuclear radiation. 5. We oscillate collect with drop when liquid drop a split into server drop split. Similarly, oscillation of liquid drop under gravity influence of shape on the resonant frequency. Thank you.